Hey there, it's Alexandria from Finespun Cakes. I'm going to be running a totally free live rose workshop where I'm going to take you through all of the steps to make these stunning Majolica roses. It's going to be live in mid-December, and I will take you through creating a simple center for both open and closed roses, texturing and adding soft cream petals to your flowers, and then my best tips for dusting off-white flowers for maximum impact without messing them all up with heavy-handed dusting. If you are ready to sign up right now, you can do that in the description box below, totally free. And as soon as you're on the list, you will get all of the updates for the course, including date, time, replay options, and tools and ingredient lists, as well as a private Facebook group that you can join to connect with your fellow workshop attendees. This is a really fun challenge because it doesn't require you to purchase any fancy tools or veiners. We're just going to be using a ball tool and a toothpick for the most part to texture everything. I'm also going to take you through a quick overview of how to achieve beautiful off-white flowers and adjust it using color theory. When you sign up, you will also get first access to my 3 upcoming rose courses: Winter Rose or Hellebore, Classic Spiral Rose, and David Austin Rose. So even if you can't make it to the workshop, you are going to want to be on this list. This is one of my favorite sugar filler flowers, especially to arrange with those 3 upcoming roses in the courses, and I think it's gonna become one of your favorites too. Before I go, I will take you through a quick overview of what the course is gonna look like, and again, do not forget to sign up right now in the description box below before you forget. Day 1, you will already have your gum paste made, so go make a batch if you don't have one sitting around already. And I'm gonna link it, of course, in all of the emails that are coming to you and in the description box below. We're gonna make a center that is open and one that is closed for 2 different styles of flower. And I'll take you through a quick breakdown of color theory, and we will color a gum paste. Day 2, we will start on our petals. I'll show you how to roll, shape, and texturize them with just a ball tool and a toothpick to create those velvety looking petals that Majolica Roses have. There's a different technique for both open and closed flowers, so I'm gonna cover both. Day 3, we will finish our flowers. I'll show you how to add really subtle dusting to your white or cream flowers to bring them to life. I'll add calyxes to the flowers as well, and we will tape up the stems. This is a great jumping off point before my 3 rose courses come out because many of the same principles of color theory, texturing, and dusting is going to apply to those flowers. I cannot wait to see you in class. Please sign up in the description box below, and I will see you there.